So this is how you can delete your search history on TikTok. It's actually quite simple and only takes like 2 steps. So what you're gonna want to do is open up TikTok and then tap on the magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen. This is our search bar. As you can see, it shows my recent searches. I just searched from A to T to make it simple, but basically, as you can see, once you tap on View More, I'm going to show you again, tap on Magnifying Glass and then tap on See More. At the bottom, there's this Clear All button. Tap on that and simply tap on Clear. As you can see, it's now deleted. Every single thing has been deleted. And if we actually go ahead and search up something new, as you can see, I searched A once again. Now let's tap on X and it's back here. So that pretty much shows that we've deleted the whole thing, and we can do it again by doing the same method I did earlier. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.